Hi, my name is Zoe. We were searching on the internet, having a look round, and came across Mayfair. So we went over, and when we arrived at Mayfair Worktops, we were greeted with the staff who showed us a large selection of many different types and explained the different types with the quartz and the Decton. So we were really pleased with the service that they offered. The team were fantastic. Everything was explained to us right from the beginning, right through to the actual kitchen worktops being fitted. We have had another worktop fitted Decton in our home that we have actually next door to this property that we have, and the service and the quality of what we've had is absolutely stunning. We then decided that we needed to go to Mayfair again and have a look, and this is when we saw this quartz one, which really complements the units here. I would definitely recommend Mayfair Worktops. Anybody who's interested in having new worktops fitted to the kitchen, I would highly recommend to go to Mayfair Worktops, because the service and the quality that you will receive will be second to none.